Get a .in domain and join millions of successful entrepreneurs.
We have with us Dr. Govind, CEO of Nixie, and we're going to try and exchange opinion from him in terms of challenges he faces in the internet industry and the people issues in the internet industry. Dr. Govind, you've experienced this industry globally. What do you see as the major difference between the employees in the internet industry globally versus employees in India?
The way I look at the internet, because internet is a newly evolved in the country in 1995 in 2000 time frame. So internet is basically it came from the US. Earlier internet came in 1970, 71. The internet evolved in the US, so the whole of the ecosystem of the internet developed in that developed country.
Correct.
So then the internet reached out to India very late. So the whole ecosystem is yet to be developed in the country. However, with the larger internet user base in the country, like more than 200 million today, I'm hopeful that more and more internet users will be there. It will be reaching 400 million and 600 million in next 5 years. So the whole ecosystem is going to definitely come around, and so the people, the skill set in those areas would be developing in this space.
So, any recommendations that you have in terms of the gap that we have in talent available globally as far as this industry is concerned versus talent available here?
Yeah, we have the basic knowledge, basic qualifications for the techie guys in the country, but only thing we need to put them in the right perspective of the internet policy making, internet architecture, internet infrastructure field. And there are, because internet is basically runs on the telecos, the basic infrastructure is run by the telecommunication areas. So the internet is nothing but more of the applications, more of the policies, more of those, things, innovation. Those so our youngsters in the country, more than 500 million people who are in the age group of the 25 to 35 years, they are capable enough to develop the expertise. The only thing challenge is to make them skilled, make them aware the whole process which is globally going on, expose them to major international events of internet, and look into how the internet industry can grow in our country.
Any contribution you think that major premier institutes can do towards enhancing skills of these people?
Yeah, I think the triple ITs and IITs and in the universities, they can bring a certain curriculum in the internet governance area, or internet-based, domain name systems, or the security systems, and the IPv4 address space and IPv6 address space. There is a need to bring the emerging areas of the technology of the internet to be in the part of the curriculum of our national, the universities and the institutes, premier institutes, so that we get a ready-made people coming out of these institutions ready for the internet industry and internet space.
Okay. So, having been the CEO at Nixie, have you faced any people challenges as far as hiring is concerned, to getting the right talent, to getting the right mix?
Yeah, because this is a mix of internet today is a multi-stakeholder system. So it is everyone, whether it is a government, all of the stakeholders, civil society, the private sector, the academia and technical people, they are all make the internet. So the challenge is when no one stakeholder is important. Everyone is important in this internet ecosystem. Similarly, the challenge is to make a person who is there in the technical side, he should be aware that we don't get a person from the policy side. So we need a kind of mix of these skill sets in developing this kind of internet governance, which is right now it is lacking in the country, but I am hopeful that over the time, as the internet grows and internet is evolving, people will be coming forward to come into this area.
I'm sure they would be. I think we'll end our discussion at this note. Thank you.
Thank you.